Rinse it, baby, one more time. Hey. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there you go. Hello everyone from Northeast Southwest, it's me Gilbert with lagildiskubrez channel. Kumusta kayong mga kadiskubrez? It's nice to see your smiling face. Welcome to another vlog. Today, nandito na naman tayo sa aking favorite place, dito sa aking balkonahe. So, today's video mga kadiskubrez, I am going to make beef bulalo. Hindi po siya bulalong Tagalog. It is originally Tarlaquenos bulalo. Ayan, so since I am from the province of Tarlac City, so gagawin po natin kung paano ginagawa yung beef bulalo sa amin. So it is very simple at sana ma-enjoy ninyo yung video na ito dahil wala akong magawa ngayong araw na to dahil po sa COVID-19 na yan, no? Self-isolation po yung ginagawa namin ngayon. It is a good chance to make a video something like this. So dito po sa mesa makikita nyo meron po tayong spare ribs. There you go. Yan. Meron po tayong beef. And then we have 3 white onion. Tapos meron tayong paminta, 2 sweet corn, and then beef bouillon. Yan. Opo. If you are looking back to my other video, so yung YouTube channel ko po, it is not only for my OFW life, I also featured most of my vlog are food vlog. Some of my videos are street food sa Taiwan. So doon po ako nagumpisa. Doon ako nahiligan gumawa ng mga videos and vlog. So today po, samahan nyo po ako na maghiwa-hiwa na ng mga sibuyas dito. Excited na akong makahigop ng sabaw ng bulalo because medyo hindi na masyadong malamig pero yung temperature is maano pa rin, no? Kayang-kaya mo na yung lamig. Okay, we are going to start this. So, put it into a plate. Yan mga kadiskubrez. There you go. Yan, pisa in 3 pieces. Go. Ganun lang po siya kasimple. Punta na tayo sa kitchen area. Now we are here on the kitchen area. I'm going to rinse. Nilagyan ko siya ng asin kanina para tumanggap siya ng konting lasa or yung alat, no? So para ma-absorb ng meat. We're going to rinse it just like this. Okay, make it sure that you clean. Make sure na mahugasan nating mabuti. You may wondering why I use yung rib meat. The reason why I choose the ribs of the beef kasi yung ano nga, it layers with fat, meat, and the bone. So yung bone, it will give an extra flavor to the broth. There you go. I already rinsed it twice. Okay. One more time. Rinse it, baby, one more time. Hey. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, there you go. So, I'm going to add a hot water kasi mas maganda yung hot water para madali siyang kumulo. Okay, so ito na po yung hot water natin. Make sure to add at least 4 cups of water. Because the meat, magpuproduce din po yan ng konting tubig niya habang pinapakulo. Okay. So, 4 cups of water. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. And then, put it right there. Okay. There you go. So, we are going to put it on maximum. So, doon na po. Yan, maximum. So, ito na po siya. Pakukulan lang natin siya ng mga 4 hanggang 5 oras hanggang lumambot. Hindi mo lang siya pakukuluan ng ganon. We're going to add the sweet corn. So ilalagay na po natin yan. What happen is if this meat will going to boil for 4 hours or 5 hours, all the flavor of the sweet corn and then the onion, it will blow your mind. So maglalasa na yung broth niya, mga kadiskubrez. Okay? Namimiss ko kasi yung kumain ng bulalo. I decided to make this video para naman matikman natin yung panlasa natin back in the Philippines. Okay? So there you go. We are going to add the black pepper. So like I told you, there's a lot of version on how to cook bulalo, but ito yung version ko, how to cook a bulalo. It is very simple but very tasty. Okay? And then I am going to add the beef bouillon. Okay, there you go. Very simple. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of salt. And let it boil for 4 hours or 5 hours until the meat will go into tender. So ayan na po siya, mga kadiskubrez. There you go. That is the effect of COVID-19 or being isolated. Okay, so I decided to cook today. We're going to put the lid. If you see, mga kadiskubrez, I never put any fish sauce. So hindi po ako naglagay ng fish sauce or what yung tinatawag nilang patis. Hindi po ako naglalagay ng patis sa aking bulalo. I only use beef bouillon, salt, or magic sarap. Yun lang po yung nilalagay ko just to make sure yung saltiness niya. Kasi sometimes kapag naglagay ka ng patis, parang pag tumagal yung sabaw, parang madali siyang mapanis. Yun yung ano ko, yun yung opinion ko lang ha. But some of the other who cook bulalo, they already put patis on the broth o yung sa sabaw. So in my version, I did not put any patis or fish sauce. As simple as like that po, mga kadiskubrez. To all of my Canadian friends, I hope that you are here together with me to taste this very delicious and simple Tarlaquenos bulalo. Okay, we will wait for another 4 hours or 5 hours and then let's see what will be the result. Okay? Bye-bye! Okay, mga kadiskubrez, it's already 4:45 in the afternoon. Mag-aalas 5 na. Ayan, 4:56. Wait, bakit nawala? Okay, so it's already 4:56 in the afternoon. I already boiled it for almost 5 hours. Okay, so I start 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So magfa 5 o'clock na po. Let's go out and check out the kitchen. Tignan natin yung niluluto natin ngayon. Okay, so here we are at the kitchen area. And see that, guys, it's still boiling. Okay, so take a look at that. Woohoo! I am so excited to taste this. Ooh, wow! Take a look at that. See? Check the broth. Wow! Oh my God! See that? Yum. Okay. Let's go to the balcony. And there you go. It's smoking. Okay. Let's get some broth. Okay. And there you go. Yan. So let's put some 1 piece of corn, sweet corn, and then let's get some beef meat. There you go. See that, guys? See that? Oh my goodness. See that? Okay, we will put right there. See that meat? See the bone? See, the bone is already fell out to the meat. See? OMG. Okay. This is what we have right now after boiling it for 5 hours. Imagine that. Okay. I am so excited to try and taste my own recipe. Now, to some of my Canadian friends who never try a Filipino food, you must try to taste this. I love it. I love it. My gosh. I can't wait to bite this one. I'm gonna bite this. Oh, sweet. Oh my god. I really like it. To all my kadiskubrez Canadian friend, you know, this kind of typical authentic Filipino food, this is very popular in the Philippines because we love this during cold weather in the Philippines, like during rainy season or for the month of December. So this is not only everyday food, but most of the Filipino, they always serve it in special occasion like what we call the fiesta, birthday party, or any special occasion. We always serve bulalo in every occasion. The meat, okay. It is so tender. Grabe. It is a simple dish of my recipe, but it is taste really delicious. Oh my gosh. As you can tell, all the flavor of those ingredients are in the beef meat as for now. And boiling for 5 hours. Oh my god! It will blow your mind how delicious my bulalo. I'm gonna call this Canadian best beef meat cooked Tarlaquenos bulalo. That's my original recipe. Oh my gulay. So let's try to eat this sweet corn. Diba? You know what, to be honest, all the broth flavor is also to the sweet corn. Sarap. Love it. Baka tumapon ulit sa akin. Oh my gosh. See that? I like the soup. Siyempre, walang ibang pupuri sa luto ko kung hindi ako. Oh my God. Love it. Sarap. That's all for today mga ka-Diskubrez. I hope you enjoy watching this video and I hope that natakam kayo sa pagluto ko ng aking Tarlaqueño special beef bulalo, my own recipe. So, kung nagustuhan po ninyo ang video na ito, don't forget to put a thumbs up and share it on your social media account. And if you are new into my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you are updated every time I upload a food video vlog like this and sharing my experience here in Canada as a OFW. Until next time from Northeast Southwest, my name is Gilbert with Lagildiskubrez channel. Mabuhay tayo mga OFW sa buong mundo. Bye-bye! Shay, higop muna tayo ng sabaw. Masarap to. Oh my God! Where's my chili? There you go, my chili. Oh my God. I'm done. So delicious. See you on my next